Hi, I'm Gayatri. In this video, we are going to see how to include an image or your company logo into a single line diagram. Go to Edit, click Insert New Object. A pop-up window with two options opens up. One is Create New, the other one is Create from File. Choose Create from File if you already have an existing file. It could be an image or a PDF or even a Word document. Browse and select the file you want to insert. If you want ETAP to automatically update the file when the source file changes, check the link box. Click the display as icon if you want the image to appear as a small icon. Give OK. Right click, go to Properties, View, change the scale of the image. OK. You can drag and place the company logo. The second option is Create New. Use this if you want to create a new file directly from the ETAP. I'm choosing a Microsoft Excel worksheet. Display as icon. OK. You can type or design the content as needed. ETAP will show an icon in the SLD which can be opened and edited. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found this content useful. See you in another tooltip video.